Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sushmita Alisetla. So myself Sushmita and I am from NIT Warangal. And today I'm here to help you with the scholarship details and everything. So if you're watching my video for the first time, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So come and join in my family. And this is my Instagram ID, so follow me there, ask your doubts and everything. And this is my email ID which I have given in description box. Go check my email ID. If you have any queries, please mail me over there. And I'm going to explain about all the scholarships in detail, like what are the scholarships offered by the university, like each and every scholarship. Let's talk about each and every scholarship in this video, because I could see most of the students are struggling a lot. Like, I got this rank, but what is my scholarship? Like, everyone are like literally confused because of the college rules or might be something else. And now most of the students like receiving so many problems, like their dashboard is showing blank. And some of the students are facing like the tuition fee is like zero, and the registration fee or something like that, counseling fee is just 10,000 rupees. So they are asking you to pay just 10,000 rupees, not more than that. All these questions are there, right? So what I am thinking is, this is just my guess, guys. Maybe because by seeing your rank or by your 12th class marks or something like that you have gave them. So maybe by taking those into consideration, maybe they have given you 100% scholarship according to the rank or according to the mark of your 12th. Maybe 50%, maybe for some people 25%, this kind of. So maybe when they are like you got, for example, you got some 250 or 300 rank, so they are asking you to pay just this 10,000 rupees, not that 1 lakh rupees. Maybe this is just my guess, but I don't know anything properly. Like, I'm trying since morning. Like I don't know now. It's 12 o'clock. Like, you'll get this video by 12 or 12:30 exactly. I don't know. So I'm working from 9 o'clock, from morning 8:30 to 9 o'clock. I'm calling them. I'm trying to reach them. So I'm writing mails to them, and like I'm getting no response. Everything is like busy. Their lines are busy. So I'm going to provide you the contact details of those of that university helpline numbers in my description box and everything in this video. So I know how you're struggling. Yes, I am with you. Let's struggle. Let us all struggle together. Don't worry, everything will be fine. This is just 31st May and you have 2 more days to do this. So be calm. And if someone did not receive yet, like your allotment letters and everything, wait guys, chill. You will get, because only if you take this 100%, only 50% of the students or 25% of the students just received. So that rest of 50% students did not receive yet. So don't worry, you are one among them. And now you will definitely receive by end of the day, or like give them some time. They are actually doing the process, like sending you the allotment letters if you are eligible. So that was my guess, guys. Like, maybe they are giving you 100% scholarship based on your rank or something. So that is just my guesswork. I don't know how much it is correct or not. That is why I'm giving you the numbers and everything. Please confirm when you're making a step. That's it. So let's start the video about this scholarship things. I am trying to tell you everything clearly, because you should not face any problem. So please have patience. And like, I don't know, I have no words. That I know how much you guys are struggling. Like, either this or that, they give you less time and they're asking to fight in between yourself. Is, I know how much it struggles you. That's okay. So guys, let's discuss about the student scholarships. So to encourage you and to support you for your financially. So this university, so called Sonipat SRM University, has implemented some scholarship programs that is called as SRMH, Scholar Search Program. So if you have good marks, you will be eligible to get qualified over here. So let's see what is the specific scholarship in this Sonipat. 50% scholarship. The demise of breadwinner of the family due to COVID-19. Okay, 50% scholarship for the student who lost both his parents. So if you lost, I mean, if any of the students has lost his or her parent, he will be available for, he can avail this 50% scholarship. This 25% scholarship is for an applicant with a deceased parent, like if your parent is physically handicapped or something, so something like that, you can avail this offer. The greatest lesson that COVID-19 teaches. So this is the scholarships they are giving because of this COVID-19. So chancellor scholarship, this is given to the sports students, guys. So this is a prestigious scholarship for academically merit candidates, achievers in sports based on academic background. The merit students can also avail school toppers scholarship on the basis of their 12th examination. So guys, see this properly. Students with above 95 percentage in 12th examination are eligible for 100% scholarship in tuition fees. Okay, if you have 95%, you are eligible for 100% tuition fees. Students with 92 to 94.9% in 12th examination are eligible for 75% of scholarship. Students with 89 to 91.9% in 12th examination are for 50% scholarship. Students with 80 to 88.9% in 12th examination are eligible for 25% scholarship. So students with 75 to 79.9% in 12th examination are eligible for 10% scholarship in tuition fees. So this is the scholarship that you are going to get as a sports achiever. If you have some background of sports or something like that, based on your 12th class marks, they'll be giving this scholarship things. So scholarship from 10 to 100% is subject to valid score of SRMH CAT. See, this scholarship you can avail if you have a valid score of SRMH CAT. So the state topper of each board is eligible 100% scholarship in tuition fee. So 100% tuition fee when you get is if you have JEE main percentile 90 to 98 to 100% and SAT score is 1550 plus. So 75% of first year tuition fee is 96 to 97.99. So then your SAT score should be 1500 to 1549. So 50% of first year tuition fee will be given when you have 90 to 95.99. Then SAT score should be 1400 to 1499. 25% of first year tuition fee will be given to 85 to 89.99. 1300 to 1399. So 10% of first year tuition fee will be 75% to 84.99. So SAT score should be 1200 to 1299. So all scholarships will be awarded on first come first served basis, as limited scholarships are available. If you are going to them like as soon as you can, so they can give you these offers, it seems, for industrial collaboration programs in association with Haryana domicile scholarship as per provisions of Haryana State Private Universities Act 2006. Okay guys, the criteria for availing the scholarship for this Haryana students is rank or performance in national level entrance examination. The student must fill the minimum eligibility criteria. Continuation of scholarship in subsequent years will be on basis of minimal academic performance. Okay, let's see this. Most important thing is this one, guys. Student scholarship for SRMJ Triple aspirants. Yes, you all or SRMJ Triple aspirants, right? So this is for you. So 100% tuition fee. You'll get 100% of tuition fee if you have top 500 rank. 75% of tuition fee if you are 501 to 1000. 50% of tuition fee if you are 1001 to 5000 rank holder. 25% of first year tuition fee if you are 5001 to 10,000 rank holder. 10% of tuition fee if you are 10,000 to 30,000 rank holder.
So student scholarship on basis of CLAT ranking. So 50% of tuition fee, 13 to 3,000 CLAT rank. 25% tuition fee is 3,000 to 5,000 CLAT rank. 10% scholarship will be 5,000 to 7,000 CLAT rank holder. So this is the information that I can give you as much as I can. By searching all the sites and everything, I found this something perfect that can clear all your scholarship doubts and everything. So guys, one more important thing, admission query. Please press this admission query and fill all your details, and this press contact me now, so that they'll contact you and you can ask all your doubts. So it will be really easy for you. And here, hi, I am your personal assistant. So fill this and ask and like fill all the details that actually needed, so that it will also help you to assist. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, every subscribe is important to me, so please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.